Alright bro, so today we got a little bit of a different video, hopefully. We have my new tires. I got one here, other one in the back. I couldn't fit both of them in the back, but hopefully today we're gonna go cook the tires that are on the car. Maybe go do some drifting, some donuts, burnouts, whatever, and then go mount these immediately after. But I got the NT555R2s, and these are a 285/35/19, so a little wider. The stock ones on the car are a 275, so I just got a little bit of a wider tire, and hopefully these grip up a little more than what's currently on the car. I actually don't remember what's on the car right now, but we're going to meet up with Alden in the GTR, and I believe Dennis, he has some sort of Mercedes. I don't really know the Mercedes. I don't really know the Mercedes like that. I believe it's an AMG V8. I also brought the 360 camera, so while we're drifting, hopefully we can get some cool footage with the 360. All right, we better link up with Alden. He said he was at this car wash. I'm willing to bet there's a 90% chance he is not even gonna be here. I guarantee he's not even gonna be here. Dennis. Yo. What up, bro? What?
This is for protection.
An E63, that's what that shit is. But we headed out. We're going to find a parking lot. This thing sounds crazy. Forgot real quick too, go check out Alden's brand, Reckless Palms. He's got a brand. He downshifted right in front of him. Come here.
Dude, I don't like this spot. Bro, there's like fucking squares everywhere. Okay, bro.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah.
Slaps is fucking. Bro, we got a fucking mechanic. Shut your stupid. Why don't we go out this way and see if we can find any like nice, decent parking lot?
Alright bro, so I think we head up to the highway right now. I think I might run Alden and also Dennis. So we'll see what happens though. We'll see how traffic is. Also, I forgot to mention, I have Beamer code is on the way. I think it'll be here Wednesday. So we'll have a video on the Beamer code here pretty soon. What else I ordered? I ordered an oil change as well. But I don't know if I'll do a video on that. But I can't wait for a Beamer code to get here so I can code out these damn seatbelt chimes. What the? Bro's just chilling there, what? Oh, there's so much traffic. That was a good one. He got me. He did get me a little bit. I thought I was gonna get him for real. What the fuck are you doing? Too much damn traffic, man. Here's the permit spot.
How did he beat you? But temps were really high. I don't know if that
He beat me.
It could. We could run it back. 231. We could run. We're probably gonna be dead even. If I'm being honest, we're probably gonna be dead even. Fuck you. Damn.
Yeah, he got me.
You should fix it, dog. You're...
Yo. Yo, that was pretty good.
You got it, dog.
Although Dennis is about to get fucking hit. I can't feather like you do a good job feathering. Yeah. We'll give it one more. See, I'm giving it way too much, man.
It looks really like crazy from this angle.
Do you want to give it one more and then dip?
Yeah.
Give it the beans on this one. We're good. Yeah, we're good. No problem. This is a permitted area anyway. We have a permit.
Yeah, you're right.
It actually expires in 15 minutes. Yeah.
Fuck it. Tires are more scorched than when I first did it. I wish I was... Oh, you recorded the first time I did it, right?
Yeah. Alright, bro, we had to get out of there. The permit ended at 7:45, so we dipped. But that's really it. I don't know if we're gonna go change the tires today. We're kind of running out of time. Actually, let's catch them at the next light. Bro, I do not know why this red light is like actually pissing me off right now. Like, dude, I don't know. I woke up today on the wrong side of the bed. I woke up pissed off today. Like, and all day I've been just like super agitated. I don't know. It's weird. But we're gonna get another red light, of course. Cause why not? Where are we going?
My camera died.
Alright. Alright. We're gonna call it? Alright. Well, you guys heard it. We're gonna call it. So I hope you guys all enjoyed that. A little bit of a different type of content, but yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.